Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Okay. Yesterday we were talking about kinds of nouns. We have studied proper noun, we have studied common noun, and we have studied collective noun, right? And from that, after studying what are proper nouns are the name of a particular person, place, animal, bird or thing. Common noun states a person, states a place, states a thing, states an animal or states a bird. And what are collective nouns? Collective nouns means collection of people, collection of places, collection of animals, collection of birds. Such nouns are called collective nouns. And yesterday we have completed 7 sentences of one question. What was that question? We have to classify. With the help of these sentences we have to classify what is proper noun, what is common noun, what is collective noun. And we have completed how many sentences? We have completed 7 sentences, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Remaining sentences I have written on the board. I told you 7 sentences we have completed today. Yesterday I said you 7 we have completed today and 7 we are going to complete tomorrow. But 2 are not written, only 12 are written because we are going to classify them according to the nouns, which is proper noun, which is common noun, which is collective noun. Okay. Now, here in the sentence it is told the Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. How is Pacific Ocean? Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. So, the word Pacific Ocean is the name of ocean. So, it is proper noun. Understood? Now, what is common noun in this? Ocean is the common noun. Now you will say ocean. How ocean is common noun? Because there are 5 oceans. Total of 5 oceans are there, and from 5 ocean, the name of one ocean is what? Pacific. 5 oceans है total. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and one more is there. Indian, more. Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, 4 are there main and one more is there, 5th, Southern Ocean. Okay. So, there are names, 5 names are there. Then that 5 names are what? That 5 names are proper noun and ocean word is common noun. So, I am going to write down Pacific Ocean here. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean will come in which column? It will come in proper nouns column. Now, any collective noun is there or what? No. So, I am going to put here dash. Okay, this is 8th answer. And then what is common noun? Common noun is ocean. So, we have done classification of words according to the nouns, which is proper noun, which is common noun, which is collective noun. Now, the 9th example which is given in front of you, or the 9th sentence which is given before you, or which is told to you is, do not forget to bring your set of tools. Okay. Now, in this sentence, any proper noun is there or what? Name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of thing is there or what? Is it visible? You can see that sentence? Yes, you can see. Come on, tell me. In this sentence, any proper noun is there or what? No, there is no proper noun in it. So, for 9th example, we are going to put dash, no proper noun. Now, we are going to find out common noun. Tools is common noun. Tools is what? Common noun. And set is what? Set. Group what we call many tools together, correct or not? Scissors, then hammer, all tools are kept together, then that all things which are kept in the box, it is called what? It is called set. What it is called? Set. So, set is what? Set is collective noun. What is set? Set is collective noun. So, I am going to write down SET, set in collective noun. Have you understood? Next example which is given over here is, Meena has gone to Singapore to visit Rohan. Meena and Rohan, Singapore. These 3 are what? These 2 are names of people, particular person, okay, particular girl, particular boy. Singapore is name of a particular place. So these all are proper noun. These all are what? These all are proper nouns. So what we are going to do? In 10th example, we are going to write down Meena, Rohan and Singapore. These all are what? These all are proper noun. Now any common noun is there or what? No. Any collective noun is there? No. So we are going to put dash over here. Understood? Now 11th example which is given here is, this bunch of roses is for Sonali. What is that sentence? This bunch of roses is for Sonali. Okay, now what I will do, I should rub, I think so. Where is duster? Have you understood 8th, 9th and 10th sentence? Now here it is told that 11th one, this bunch of roses is for whom? Is for Sonali. So now bunch is what? Bunch is collective noun. Roses is common noun, or rose will come proper noun because it is name of a flower. Correct or not? In Marathi what we call for flower, फूल. पण कोणतं फूल? गुलाबाचं फूल. Okay, गुलाबाची फुलं. Then gulab is what? Proper noun. And Sonali is also what? Proper noun. So here 11th example we are going to write is, bunch is what? Bunch is collective noun. Roses is what? Roses is proper noun. Okay, and Sonali is also proper noun. Any common noun is there or what in that sentence? No, there is no common noun in that sentence. In this way, how many sentences we have completed? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now next 5th sentence is, Vivek and Sunny took Sneha to the fair. Fair means what? In Marathi what we call for fair? Fair means jatra. Okay, and there are many fairs. Every village is having their own fairs, correct? So here it is told that Vivek is what? Vivek is name of a person. So name of a person is proper noun. Here also Sunny is name of a person, so it is proper noun. Sneha is name of a person, so it is proper noun. And fair is common noun because we don't know which fair. Fairs are also having names. Different names are there for fairs. So how many proper nouns are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are three proper nouns. Which are those? Vivek, Sunny and Sneha. 3 are proper nouns. What is common noun? Fair. F-A-I-R, fair. And what is collective noun here? There is no collective noun, right? So we are going to put dash over here. Have you understood? Have you understood classification of nouns? How we have classified nouns? Have you understood? What is proper noun? What is collective noun? What is common noun? Some more sentences are there. Which are those? I will tell you. Now 13th sentence. Now it is visible or not? I don't know for you. See now 13th sentence. Soccer is popular in England. And I saw Atul's collection of stamps. Soccer is popular in England. And 14th one is what? I saw Atul's collection of stamps. Soccer is what? Soccer is proper noun. It is name of a game. And England is also what? Name of a place. So both are proper nouns. So what we will do? If there is place is not there. So we should write where? We should write in the column of proper nouns. Next one, 14th sentence is, I saw Atul's collection of stamps. Now Atul is what? Name of a person, so it is proper noun. Collection is what? Group. So collection is what? Collective noun. And stamps is what? Now name of stamp is not given, so stamps is common noun. And in this way, downside, see how it is given. Some students have written, now this is old book of students, they have written all, which is proper noun, which is common noun, which is collective noun. In this way I want you all to complete. If you have grammar book, तुमच्याकडे ग्रामर बुक जर असलं तर ग्रामर बुकमध्ये तुम्ही करू शकता, आणि तुमच्याकडे ग्रामर बुक नसेल तर तुम्ही इंग्लिश नोटबुकमध्ये काय करायचं, हे सगळे सेंटेन्सेस लिहायचे, अंडरलाईन करायचे, कोणतं प्रॉपर नाउन आहे, कोणतं कॉमन नाउन आहे, कोणतं कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन आहे. अँड देन आफ्टर दॅट व्हॉट you have to do 3 columns, and then what will come in proper noun, what will come in collective noun, what will come in common noun, that you have to write down in your homework. Okay, I want your all 14 sentences completed. समझते हैं? Okay, we'll meet now in next week with new chapter. Okay, for today this much is enough. Thank you.